In this video, I am going to show you how to create a free personal portfolio using Framer. To create a free personal portfolio, first open your preferred browser by left-clicking on the icon. In the search bar, type Framer Portfolio and hit enter. Left-click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Framer website. Here, you have a portfolio website template. Keep in mind that these templates are not completely free. Some of them are free to use, but the majority are paid. As you can see, this one is $49, this one is $59, and so on, usually under $100. For this example, let's use the Leo Portfolio template. Left-click on the template. Here you have the Leo Creative Portfolio template. You can preview this template by right-clicking on the preview option. This is how your portfolio will look, with cool text animation, your website catalog, an image that you can add, your work, and your contact information such as your address, phone number, social media handles, and so on. To use this template, go back and left-click on the Use for Free option. Log in to Framer with Google. Left-click on the Continue with Google option. You can also log in using email. I'm going to use Google for this example. Left-click on the Google option. Choose your account by left-clicking on it, and left-click Continue to finish the signing in process. Enter your name and check the I agree to the terms box, then left-click the Continue option. Your account has been created. Now here's the template you chose. Left-click the Copy Project to My Account option at the bottom. This project will be added to your account. This is the editor page of Framer. Here, you can edit all the pages of the portfolio. For example, if you want to edit this text, double-tap on it, select the text, backspace, and type, "Hi, I am Tutorial Master." Just like that, you have the images that you can use. And here, as you can see, you have the editor page for the images that were on your website. You can drag and drop them and replace them. You can also add effects. Left-click on the Effects option, and you have hover effects. You can change the opacity, scale, rotation, and all sorts of settings. You also have transitions at the bottom. Left-click on the Transitions option, and you can preview these, just like that. That's pretty much it for the images. Now let's go back and take a look at the left navigation bar. You can edit all these things, such as your logo. Left-click on the Logo option, and you can edit the orientation, type, and everything related to your logo. Left-click this Edit Component option here, and this is your logo. You can edit your logo's text this way. After you are done fixing all the settings for your portfolio, left-click the Publish option in the top right corner, and it will instantly publish this website portfolio for you. Left-click this Connect Domain option. You need to give this website a domain. You can get a free Framer subdomain. For example, I can say my name is ForTutorial, and I will left-click Publish Update, and this should be published. Now, if I want to view this, I can type fortutorials.framer.website in a new tab and hit Enter. Now, the page might not be found because I have to sign up, but you can share this link or URL. Left-click on it, and as you can see, this is Hi, I am Tutorial Master, and you can edit what we do here, just like that.